Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Amanda, aka Fit Food AE, and today we're gonna be making high protein, low calorie, chocolate frosted donuts. I'm recording this on a Friday after work, so we're feeling good. The sun is still shining in Vancouver, but it is getting a little bit cooler since it's September, so wearing a sweater because of that. I know how much you guys love easy recipes, especially donuts. To make this recipe, you're gonna need a silicone donut mold. So I bought this one on Amazon. You can find it in my Amazon store, which is linked below. So if you're excited to see me make these donuts, please give this video a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. You know the drill. And without further ado, let's get started with the recipe. So first thing you're gonna do is preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Then you're gonna grab a bowl and add all-purpose flour. Then add some chocolate protein powder. Of course, I used PE Science frosted chocolate cupcake from this giant tub. Use my discount code FIT15 if you're gonna buy this. It is a whey casein blend. I have made a similar recipe with whey and it turned out just fine. Then add in your unsweetened cocoa powder. So I used Hershey's. You can use any brand, but just be sure to buy unsweetened cocoa and not Dutch processed. Next, add in baking powder and then a pinch of salt. Next, you're gonna add in your 0-calorie sugar substitute. So I use Lakanto monk fruit sweetener. You can use my discount code FIT15 if you want to purchase this, but of course you can use any other alternative. Mix all the dry ingredients together. Then you're gonna add in the wet ingredients. So add your unsweetened applesauce. Next, add in non-fat Greek yogurt, and then the unsweetened almond milk. Then you're gonna mix that all together. The batter is gonna be a bit tough to mix by the end. It'll kind of look like this, but that's totally fine. Now you're gonna take your silicone donut mold and spray it with cooking spray. And we're making 6 donuts, so you're gonna put the batter evenly into the 6 sections. What I like to do is just kind of spoon it evenly, and then afterwards you can fix it depending on if all the sections are even or not, and then use the back of your spoon to spread it out. Hopefully that made sense. And now you're gonna pop these into the oven for 15 minutes. And while that's baking, we're gonna make the frosting. So grab your bowl, and first thing you're gonna do is add the same chocolate protein powder that you used before. Next, you're gonna add in your powdered sugar substitute. So I use Lakanto 0-calorie powdered sugar, but of course you can use any other alternative. Now add in some unsweetened cocoa powder, and then some non-fat Greek yogurt. So next you're gonna add in a little bit of cold water. Start off with 1 tablespoon, then mix it, then add in a little bit more as needed. You don't want to add too much because then the frosting is going to be runny. It's better to add less and then just keep going until you reach the desired consistency. So now you're going to put the frosting in the fridge, and then once the donuts are done, take them out and let them cool completely. I'd say at least 15 to 20 minutes, because if you try to frost them when they're still hot, the frosting is just going to melt off. But I mean, like, I can't tell you what to do, so if you're impatient, you can frost them as soon as they get out of the oven. So once the donuts have cooled, you're gonna pop them out of the silicone donut mold, put them onto a plate, and then we're gonna frost them. I just use a spoon to frost them. I'm honestly terrible at frosting things. You can see me kind of try my best here. So much chocolate overload. These are really like dense and cakey, which is good because you feel like you're getting a lot of like donut, if that makes sense. It reminds me a lot of the Tim Hortons, like the chocolate glazed donut, except instead of it being glazed, it's frosted. So good. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did like this recipe, I'm sure you're gonna like my other ones. So be sure to check out the videos that are gonna pop up on the screen. And to support my channel, please give this video a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And with that, I will see you guys later this week. Bye.